Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Hello and welcome to Seven Sentinels. This is a Grand Master class, and I am Peter Simon with you. Today, we are conducting a reading part C. Reading part C. Stem cell research, the ethical dilemma. Stem cell research, the ethical dilemma. OET, reading part C. You can invite your friends and your colleagues. This is an open session. Stem cell research. Today we are going to learn some tips, tricks, and techniques. Tips, tricks, and techniques. Right. Now this is the question paper. Actually it is day 17, reading test 17. Okay, in that page number 88. Page number 88. Here it is. Page number 88. Yeah. So here it is. So this is the paragraph number 1. Okay. This is paragraph number 1. This is paragraph number 2. This is paragraph number 3. Continuation and paragraph number 4 here onwards. And this is paragraph number 5. Paragraph number 6. And paragraph number 7. So 7 paragraphs are there. But if you see the questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 questions are there here. 8 questions. There are 8 questions. Okay. So 8 questions. Fine. Now 8 questions and 7 paragraphs. That means for one paragraph, there are 2 questions. Now you see which is the biggest paragraph. So now second paragraph is the biggest paragraph here. Third is small. Fourth is also small. Fifth, moderate. Sixth, small. Seventh, small. So second paragraph, you can see second paragraph. So we may expect 2 questions in this. Now let us check here. First paragraph, second paragraph, second paragraph. Yeah, from second paragraph, there are 2 questions. So this is how you're going to analyze your points. Yes. Fine. Yeah. So analysis. Now next one is go to the questions and check it out there. Here he is telling this is the first paragraph. So first paragraph. Right. Then this is telling paragraph 2. In paragraph 2. So that shows that it is in second paragraph. And here the second paragraph. Then here he did not tell us anything about paragraph, but he is giving the capital letters Goron Hermeran. Goron Hermeran. Remember that. And here he is talking about John de Gans. And here he told it is paragraph number 5. So now no need to worry about anything else. So here second and here fifth. That means this is third paragraph, this is fourth paragraph. So second paragraph, third paragraph, fourth paragraph, fifth paragraph. Here is telling in paragraph number 6. And here he is telling in paragraph number 7. So this is how it is very easy now. Yeah. So this will come to first paragraph. This will be second paragraph we know now. And this will be second paragraph. And this will be third paragraph according to our guesswork, maybe or may not. And this is fourth paragraph. Then this is fifth paragraph. Then this is sixth paragraph. Then this is seventh paragraph. So we have got 7 paragraphs, each question from 1, but 2 questions from paragraph number 2. 2 questions from paragraph number 2. Okay. Right. So next, welcome to all the new members. Yeah, this is a demo session. Right. Now you can see here very clearly. Based on that one, the purpose of the first paragraph is to. From there, we'll go to first paragraph. Here is the first paragraph. There is a medical procedure. Okay, now what I did, I have given you a slide here. Okay, let me help you out here. 24, 22, 22. Yeah, let us keep it at 22 itself. Yeah. Okay. So this is the question. 22 is better. This is 24. This is 22. Yeah, 22 is enough. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 22. Yeah. So this is the question. Go through the question. You have 90 seconds. Think about the answer. Okay. Think about the answer. Function, print screen, full screen. Yeah. Cannonball, RC, 15. Yeah. That is the question. Yes, you have 90 seconds now to think about this question. Your time starts now. Don't write the answer anywhere until I tell you. 45 seconds more. Fifteen seconds more. Yes. So that's good. We have 6 members now. So we are going to do lot of part C classes. So be as much time as possible because I'm going to give you a number of sessions. Yes. So the first one is cannonball. 1, 5. 15th question. Yes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and submit. Submit your answers. Yeah. Full screen. I think we have already posted this one here. Yeah. So we have already posted this one. Now we are going to give the answer. Okay, now let us check the answer. 4 members have given the answer. Okay. What about the rest? 3B and 1D. Okay. Right. Create poll. A, B, C, D. Logical reasoning approach. Logical reasoning approach. Okay. So you can check and you can, yeah, this is the copy post link. Yeah. Copy post link. So there you are. You can go and you can, yes. So if you click there, you'll get the answers. Click on the bubble. Tick one bubble A, B, C, or D. And if your answer is right, then submit your score 1 by 1. If your answer is wrong, then 0 by 1. So you can update your scores please. Yeah. Yes, Dr. Keval Shah, one by one. What about the rest? Okay. So Keval Shah was quick to respond. Yeah, Keval, can you explain the question to me? Why do you think, Dr. Keval? Yes, unmute. And can you tell me, why do you think this is the right answer? Yeah.
Yes, sir. What I feel is that in the in the last sentence, we can read that welcome to the world of stem cells and the ethical issues their usage in the medical science provoke. So it is talking about both the things, that it is also highlighting the success uh, till now they have taken from the stem cell, and also they are telling about the attitude towards their problem and the ethical issues arising. That is why I felt that B should be the answer.
Okay. Right. Fine. Now let us check our clues here and how it is related. Okay, you can mute back. So now let us take, yeah, in the first paragraph. So this is the first paragraph. The purpose. What is the purpose? What is the purpose is telling, right? So establish how positive stem cell research has been, highlight the contrast between the successes of stem cell research and some attitudes towards it, criticize individuals who regard stem cell research as controversial, and focus on the ethical issues that stem cell research raises. Now here, right. Now let us see. There is a medical procedure which is able to treat diseases such as Parkinson's and arthritis. It is able to potentially reverse genetical defects, prevent heart attack sufferers from have repeat episodes, help regenerate skin tissue in burn victims, and potentially so much more. Till here, it is the positive. These are the successes. These are the successes, and so much more. All these till here. Okay, before and after and type of differentiation we can make here. Before and after and we can make a differentiation like that. And yet. So before this conjunction and after this conjunction. So you can see there is a lot of difference in this particular sentence. In this particular sentence, it is not, it in the last sentence, it is telling only about the ethical issues, means problems. Okay, right. Now, next one, it remains highly controversial for many individuals. Controversial. Controversial means against. So they are in contrast. Okay. They are in disagreement. They are against. Highly controversial. So that means they are not ready to accept. So that is a contrast between the positive and the negative. So many positive things are there, but still it is highly controversial for many individuals. Not all, but for many. So many, you can take some attitudes, individuals' attitudes. Individuals, many individuals have different attitudes towards it. It means again. So here you have to know this difference. So it is highlighting, okay, welcome to the world of stem cells and the ethical issues. Issues. Issues means contrasting attitudes. Contrasting attitudes, you can say. Their usage in medical science provokes. So now let us see here. Stem cell research. Stem cell research. It means stem cell research. It remains it stem cell research. So fine, let us see here. So he is highlighting and showcasing the ethical issues. Now let us see the success of stem cells and the ethical issues because of the attitude of the people. So everywhere he's showing, and yet means whatever you are doing good, but still I'm not ready to accept what you say. So still you're saying this is good, this is good, this is good. There are many more good things, but still people don't agree. So that is the attitude of some people towards the stem cells. So that means many people say yes, but still some people say no. There is a disagreement. That means there is a contrasting opinion. There is a contrasting opinion. So some feel that this is negative, not good. That's what he says. So based on this one, you can understand very clearly that he is talking about both the things. He's telling all the positive things. Okay, he's telling all the positive things. Yeah. Now let us see here. Right. So what are the positive things? Contrast between the successes. So stem cells, the successes. Let us see the successes. Yeah, the successes. Now, if you see what are the successes, let us see here. Okay, this is able to treat diseases. What are the diseases? Such as Parkinson's, number one, and arthritis, number two. And it is able to potentially reverse genetic defects. This is another benefit. Prevent heart attack sufferers from having repeat episodes. First attack is there, then next attack will not be there. So like that. Okay, having repeat episodes. So, right, preventing multiple attacks. Then next, help regenerate skin tissue in burn victims. This is another one. And what is the other success? And potentially so much more and many more things which they cannot be briefed here. We cannot brief them all here. Many, many, many benefits is telling. And what is this? This is a medical procedure. This is a medical procedure. And what is this medical procedure? Stem cells. Okay. Stem cells, using stem cells, the research of stem cells. So you can see everything is the success here, success, success, success. And some attitudes, many people, okay, many people differ. Many people, yeah, many people. Now, many individuals means some people, they have controversial opinion, highly controversial opinion. That means they are not favoring them, they are against, opposing them. Their attitude towards it is controversial. That means they say no, no, and a big no. Towards what? Towards this stem cells, towards this medical procedure. So this is how there is a contrast between, yes, it is highlighting the contrast between the success and some attitudes. So pointing out that there are some disadvantages. That's it. Okay. So you can very clearly see, yes, the controversy. Despite the benefits, it is targeted by some people, many individuals. They think that it's not good. So controversial their opinions are. So that's enough. Yeah, that is the explanation. That is the explanation. Fine. Yes. Clear drawings. Yeah. So now let us see. Yeah. Next, we are moving to the next question. 5 people are there. Good. So, second question. Yeah. Okay. I think this is fine. Yeah. This is the second question. Actually, for this question, you don't need to read anything. You don't need to deeply read everything from the beginning to the ending. But still, I'll give you time so that if you cannot get, print a screen. Yeah. Boomerang. Sorry. Cannonball. RC 16. Yes, this is the question. You have 90 seconds. Yes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Submit. Submit your scores, please. Submit your answers, please. Yeah, submit your answers, please. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Submit your answers. Vinita Ramakrishna, A. What about the others? Dr. Keval Shah, A. Vijimani, A. What about the others? Okay. All right. You can check your answer now. Copy, post link. Yeah. And then scores, update scores, please. Update your scores, please. Now, actually, you don't need to go through all these things. Actually, you don't need all these things. Okay. You don't need all these things. Now, let me explain you here. Okay. Yeah. Delving deep into means go into. Okay, go into, deep into, dig deep into. Delve means go into. Delve means stay, remain, go deep. Delving into means going into. Delve means stay. Okay. Remain, stay. And the actual meaning is go into. Okay. Go into. Right? Go into. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So, yes. So, delve into, before delving into the ethical aspects, before delving into the ethical aspects of the issue, means before studying it seriously, before going into it, before probing, before searching, before researching, before investigating. So that's it. So investigating. So the other synonyms, no need of all these things actually. Okay. All these things are not at all required. All these things are not at all required. It is not necessary. It is not at all necessary. Okay. This information is not at all necessary. Okay. So before going into, before entering into, before considering, before thinking, before probing, before, write all these synonyms. Write all these synonyms. Yeah, Vinita or Vijay. Write all these synonyms. Okay. and you can send them to me also. Probing, researching, searching, finding, inquiring, going deeply, or thorough study, or probing, like this, all are different words. So you can just yeah, ignore this information. This is not necessary at all. Yeah. So you can see, delving into means stepping into, going into, finding into, studying. Okay, get in and studying, probing, researching, finding, inquiring, speculating, investigating. Okay, all these are synonyms. Yeah, all these are synonyms. So you can use those words. So delving into means investigating, research, synonyms. This is called the play or the game of synonyms. Okay, synonyms. Synonyms rule this question. Synonyms rule this question. If you can know, if you know the synonyms, then it is very easy for you. Otherwise, it will be tough. Synonyms rule this question. What are the synonyms? Now let us see. What are the synonyms that you have to notice here? The synonyms are, okay, before delving, before studying, okay, then probing, or inquiring, or researching. Oh, so what are the words I told you? Probing, researching, or yeah, finding, discovering, or investigating, investigating, investigating. Yeah. So investigating and probing, researching, finding, studying, analyzing, analyzing, evaluating. Okay. So any word may suit here. Any word may suit here. Before probing, before researching, before finding, before discovering, before investigating, before studying, before analyzing, before evaluating. Okay. Before, okay, fine. So this is the way how these words will help us. If you read everything, it doesn't mean that you will know the answer. So be careful. There are questions where you can get the answer only by synonyms. That's what you have to understand. Only through synonyms. Okay, so learn the synonyms. Try to imagine or at least realize what synonyms are and their importance. Function, print screen. Yeah. Yes. The explanation. Learn the synonym. Okay. The explanation. The key rule. The key rule is learn the synonyms and save your time. Yeah. This is the point. Learn the synonyms and save your time. Yeah. Next, third question. Question number 17. Okay. I think this is also fine. Question number 17. Yeah. Same paragraph. So no need to worry. Yeah, you have 90 seconds. From the second paragraph, we learn that what? What do we learn? Print screen, full screen, cannonball, RC 17. Yes. You have 90 seconds to go through this question. Yes, last 15 seconds. Yes, you can submit the answer. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and submit. Submit your answer. Here, Dr. Keval says C. What about the others? A, B, C, D. Yeah, A, B, C, D. Logical reasoning approach. Yeah. Question number 17. Yes. What about the rest? Okay. Copy post link. So this is, yeah, updates course. Updates course, please. Yeah. Update your scores, please. Now let us think about this answer. Yes. Let us see how we are going to find this answer. Yeah, in the second paragraph, we learn that, we come to know that, we learn that, we understand that. Write down the synonyms. Learn, come to know, understand, realize. Okay, write down the synonyms. Synonyms are very important. In this question also, synonyms are important. Now here, from the second paragraph, we learn that. What do we learn from the second paragraph? Now let us see. Yeah, Vinita. Vinita says understand. Yeah. Okay, fine. Anybody, can you explain this question? Who is there? I gave one question to Dr. Keval. Next, Shabnam. Are you ready to tell this explanation? Are you ready to give this explanation? Unmute if you are ready. If you are ready to give the explanation, you can unmute. Okay. Yeah, no, sir. Okay, fine. No problem. Next, Christy. Are you ready to give the explanation, Christy? Christy, are you interested to give the explanation? Okay. Vijay, can you give the explanation? Vinita. Yeah, Vijay, yes. Vijay unmuted. Yeah, you can give the explanation. Tell me now. Hello? Vijay, what happened? Unmute. Okay. Nobody else? Vinita. Okay, Dr. Keval, you only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's so nice of you. Come on. Can you explain? What do we learn here? From where will you get the answer?
Yes, sir. After reading the whole paragraph, as I can understand, there is one particular line where it is written that this distinction is important as the ethical issues arises over the former type of cell. And if we try to read the previous sentence, we can understand that the former type of cell means the cell which came previous or the cell which was the first one to come. So in that we can understand that stem cells can be divided into two distinct types, embryonic and non-embryonic or somatic. So the former type will be here embryonic stem cells. That is how we can get our answer.
Okay. So fine. That's very good. That's a very good explanation. Thank you for
Thank you.
that. Yeah, now let me explain. Now let me explain. Definitely, because I'm your teacher, I'll give you a different style. So now let us see here. We don't need to think about all these things now. We don't want this now. Let us see. First, let us go to the options here. Why should we waste our time? So what we can do is, if you go here, there are ethical issues. We already know ethical issues. There are ethical issues in relation to somatic stem cells. So there is one type of cell called somatic type of cells. So stem cells, this is one type. So stem cells are there, definitely, but this type is called somatic type of stem cells. Now, if this is somatic cells, then another one is non-somatic cells. Then the opposite of it, non-somatic, which is somatic and which is non-somatic. If you can see that one very clearly here. These are somatic type of cells, and there are another type of cells called non-somatic type of cells. Okay, let us see that one. Now, stem cells automatically become organ-specific cells. So here in this stem cells, that means stem cells is there, that means all the stem cells. This is one type of cells called somatic cells. This is one type of cells called somatic cells. But here all type of stem cells, somatic and non-somatic. So A is only somatic, A is only somatic, B is somatic plus non-somatic, that means all. Okay, right. Next one. Not all stem cells generate ethical development. So that means here, all stem cells, try to understand, all stem cells. So not all, that means only some. Not all means only some. Some generate ethical dilemmas. So ethical dilemmas. So ethical dilemmas means ethical issues are nothing but ethical dilemmas. Yeah, these two are the same here. Okay, now let us see. Human embryos were first operated on the 1960s. So embryos, human embryos. So that means these are embryonic cells. So embryonic cells and non-embryonic cells. So there are two types here. One type is somatic and second type is embryonic. You can see here, the two types are given here. So you can see very clearly. So it is different types. How many types are there? Okay, two types. Two types divided. Stem cells are of two types. So answer is in the middle. Answer will almost always be in the middle of the sentence. So stem cells can be divided into two broad categories, only two categories, which are very broad. And they are termed as, first one is embryonic stem cells and second one is non-embryonic, or the other name is somatic. If somatic, non-somatic, or embryonic, non-embryonic, it is one and the same. So embryonic and non-embryonic, okay, or somatic stem cells. So here the first category is embryonic and the second one is somatic or non-embryonic, whatever you say. First category is embryonic. This is number one. First comes number one. So this is number one. Okay. And second comes somatic. This is number two. Somatic, number two. Okay. Now let us see here. I'm going to give you a wonderful comparison here. The first one is called somatic, embryonic, and the second one is called somatic. So there are two distinct categories here. If these are the two distinct categories, then yeah, then here this is the first one. We call it the first one. Okay, and we call it the second one. First and second one. First shown, that is first one. Second time shown, that is second one. Okay, now let us see that one. This is first one and this is second one. Now this is very, very important for you now. So we are going to level up a very special relationship here. We are going to level up a very special relationship here. Okay. Yeah. So this is the first one and this is the second one. There are two types. The first one is embryonic and the second one is non-embryonic. The first one is embryonic and the second one is non-embryonic, or you can call otherwise as somatic. Now let us see. Next sentence, we don't know anything till here. Next sentence, if you consider the next sentence, embryonic cell research essentially involves taking cells from, no, not this one, here. This distinction is important as the ethical issues. Now here come the ethical issues. Ethical issues. We are bothered about the ethical issues. We are bothered about the ethical issues. We are bothered about the ethical issues. Okay. The ethical issues arise means come, develop, okay, develop over, about, over means regarding, about the formal type of cell. Now here there is a special word called former, FORMER, former type. So ethical issues are among the former. Now can anyone tell what is this former? FORMER. What does this mean? Former means what? FORMER. What is this relationship? Former means first. Then what is the last one? Former means first. Next one. First one and the next one. There are two people. First one. First I came, next you came. So you are, I am the former and you are what then? So, very good. Vinita Ramakrishna. Excellent. Okay. But why are you not unmuting when I'm asking? You can mute, no? Okay. The former and the latter. The former means the first one. The latter means the next one. The second one. The former means the first one. The latter means the second one. Now, if you very clearly see here, I'm going to show you the comparison, how you are going to find the answer. So, stem cells generate, okay, generate, okay, ethical dilemmas, issues. Now you can see that very clearly there. Not all, yeah, not all, only the former. Only the former generated ethical dilemmas. That means somatic cells will not. So only, not all stem cells. Yes, that is right. Only some stem cells. That is the former stem cells. That is the embryonic stem cells. That means human embryo. Human embryo. So that's it. Embryonic cells. Embryonic cells. Try to understand this one. Embryonic cells. So is that clear? So only the former cells, only the formal cells generate ethical dilemmas. That means latter one, the latter. That means somatic cells or non-embryonic cells do not generate ethical dilemmas. Yeah, all the three are right. Not all stem cells generate ethical dilemmas is right. Some stem cells generate ethical dilemmas, right. Embryonic cells, that is the formal one, former one generate ethical dilemmas, right? The latter one do not generate ethical dilemmas. The latter means non-embryonic or somatic cells do not generate. So, so you have understood the comparison between the former and the latter, a new style, a new style. Okay, so use this former and latter in your writing styles. They are very powerful. Use them in your speaking also. And now there is in the reading also, it is there in the listening also, it will come. So learn. The former means the first one. Either we can go to the market or to the library. We do not have school today. Today is a holiday for school. So we can go either to a movie, either for a movie or to the library. The former is not going to benefit much. The latter is useful because the exams are approaching. The latter, what do you mean by latter? going to the library. What do you mean by former? Going to the movies. So try to understand this is very, very important style. So learn it, the former and the latter, the explanation. Okay. Special usage. Not everyone can use such styles. If you are using such style, that means you are an extraordinary person. Your quality is excellent. That is what I can tell you. So use it. So, how was the explanation? Was it beneficial? How was the explanation? Because these are the things which you have to learn. In this, he is telling you whether you know the meaning of the word former. Okay. Whether you know the former or not. He's trying to confuse you. If you know the meaning of the word former, it is easy for you. Okay, synonyms. Very important. Yeah. Now this is the dictionary. What is the power of the word former? Let us see. Former. Former, it is the former actually. Former, B1, of or in an earlier time, before the present time or in the past. That is different. Okay. Former, the former. Yeah. The first of the two people. The first of the two people. That is the former. Okay. Then the latter. The latter. The latter means the second of the two people. The latter means the second of the two people. That's it. The second of the two people or two things or anything. So this is very, 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 very extremely important. That's it. How many questions we are doing is not important. How well we are learning is important. Instead of learning 10 questions and learning very little, and you can go through some questions, 2, 3 questions, and learn a lot from that. That is better. Now we are going to the next question. Question number 4. Yeah. This is question number 20. Yeah. Sorry. Why 18 is coming? Yeah. 15, 16, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, fourth question, right. We are right. Yeah. So here is the question. You have 90 seconds. Function print a screen. Full screen. Yeah. You have cannonball RC 18. Yes. You can prepare for this question. 90 seconds you have. 90 seconds. Yeah. Last 5 seconds. Yes. Cannonball 18 RC. Yes. Yeah. Yes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Submit. Yeah, two students have given the answer C and C. Okay. Yeah, here it is. A, B, C, D. So question number 18. Yeah. Update scores, please. Update scores, please. Yeah. Now we'll move on to the next question. We'll move on to the next question. Question number 5. Okay. So here we have 4 options. Yeah, this is question number 5. Go through the question. You have 90 seconds. Put into screen, full screen. Yeah, you have 90 seconds now. Yeah. Next question number. Yes. Cannon ball RC 19. Yeah. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Submit. A, B, C, D. Logical reasoning approach. Yeah. Question number 19. Yeah, majority of you gave D. Yes. You can check your score. Click on the bubble ABCD and you will get the result. And then you can update your scores, please. Yeah. Question number 6. Yeah. Cannonball RC 20. Yeah, 90 seconds for you. 90 seconds. 15 seconds more. Yeah. So cannonball RC20. Yes, submit your answer. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and submit. Yeah. So question number 20. Yes. Yeah, very good. I have given you the mark answer. Copy, post a link. Yeah, you can go there and update your scores. Update scores, please. Update scores, please. Then we'll see the next question. That is 7, RC21. Yeah. Yeah. RC21. Paragraph 6. Yeah. Cannonball RC21. Yeah. Function print screen. Yeah. You have 90 seconds for this answer. 90 seconds. So we did not discuss the previous questions. Yeah. But they are simple and clear, no problem. Question number 21. Yes. Okay. Submit your answer. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and submit. A, B, C, D. Update. Sorry. Logical reasoning approach. So what is the answer you have given? Mostly D. Okay, 21. Here you can update your scores. Yeah, update scores, please. Yeah, 7 by 7, Dr. Keval. Good, Vinita, 7 by 7, very good. Next to the last question for now. Number 8. Yeah, so this is 22. Yeah, last question. Question Cannonball RC 22. Yeah, print screen. Yeah, last question, 90 seconds. Yeah. Time up. Yes, submit your score answers. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Submit. $22. Yeah, that is the answer. Copy, post a link, update scores. Please. Yeah, share your feedback, please, for the session. Share your feedback for the session. Yeah. So, right. Thank you very much. And again, we have another session in the evening. So we'll meet again later.